Here we are in Las Palmas. We may have overslept, but it's nice and sunny, and it looks like a beautiful place. We've got the Navigator of the Seas just behind us, which is a similar boat to ours, and then ours is just behind. And we're off to do a few things, probably unlike most people. We've got some washing to do in the laundrette, and I probably need a haircut. Sophie wants to get some wool, and then we might have time to go to the beach.
So here we are in the bar in Las Palmas. Originally the cruise wasn't supposed to come here. It seems kind of fortuitous because this is where the arc starts, that's the Atlantic rally crossing. And we're trying to find a boat to cross in the World Arc from Panama or to Tahiti. So we've been wandering around trying to meet some people. We met some people, no one's doing the World Arc so far. There's only 38 boats doing the World Arc this year, so we got some good advice from the office. So we're just enjoying a drink. Okay, a quick update. So yesterday we were in Las Palmas, we walked the docks, Sean got his hair cut, we did our laundry. Today we're in Tenerife, and it's been a bit of a hectic morning. So we left the ship and they were like, oh, we've got to get a bus because it's too far to walk to town. So we got a bus, and then we legged it because it actually didn't take us that far. The rest of the way into the bus terminal, like wheezing and puffing. We arrived at the bus terminal as the bus to the airport was leaving, so we got on that. We went to the airport, then the car hire company that we tried to hire from let us down. So then I went into the terminal, and the only desk that didn't have a queue was Hertz. I went up to them and they only wanted $40 or 40 euros, yeah, 40 euros to hire the car, which was only 5 more than we tried to hire the other one for. And yeah, the paperwork was really easy. We had it done in like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, and then we were driving out of there. And so now yeah, we've headed up towards the mountain, and we're gonna go up in the cable car because actually, like, time is short, so that's where we're going next. Yeah. So here we are at the top of the Canary volcano cable car. So we've only got a few hours on the island, and as it is, it's going to be touch and go whether or not we get back in time for the ship. So we had to take the cable car rather than walk up all that way down to the bottom. And now we need to go back down.
We gotta run.
Let's go. 8.3 kilometers to the road. Vamos. A little snow at the top of the mountain. So far we're at the refuge. I'm not really sure how far down the trail it is, but there is an awesome view. So we can see the road now. I reckon we're maybe halfway down in terms of height. But when we get to the bottom, we've got a few kilometers along the road to get back to the car park. So I don't know, I think we're doing well. as you can see, we made it back onto the ship. After lots of running down the mountain, and then driving and overtaking people, and then running to get money for the bus, and then running from the bus to the terminal. We're here and a little bit sweaty, so it's time for a shower.